Hello my dear students and welcome to my Easy Maths class. Today's topic, time and work. While doing time and work, you have to remember one thing. After going through the problem, try to find out what time given to you, like in how many days or in how many hours someone doing the work. Okay, let's see here. PQR can do a work alone in 20 days, 30 days and 60 days. It means if P alone can do the work, he will be able to complete the work in 20 days. Q alone can complete the work in 30 days and R alone can complete the work in 60 days. We will find in one day how much work done by them. Okay, just see what is given here. P started doing the work and P did first day, second day alone, and then third day Q and R joined. Let's see how much work is done in 3 days first. First, second, third, right? In one day, P can do 1 by 20 work. Therefore, in one day, Q can do 1 by 30 work, and in one day, R can do 1 by 60 work. Okay. Therefore, first and second day, that is in 2 days. In 2 days, P can do 2 by 20, that is 1 by 10 work. And in one day, that is third day, P plus Q plus R can do 1 by 20, 1 by 30, 1 by 60. That is ultimately 3 plus 2 plus 1. 6 by 60, that is 1 by 10 work. So, during first 3 days, how much work is done? Therefore, in 3 days, 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10, that is 2 by 10, that is 1 by 5 work done. Okay. Therefore, in one day, 1 by 5 into 3, that is 1 by 15th work done. Therefore, required time is 15 days. This will be the answer, because the condition given is every third day PQR together will do the work and first and second day P alone will do the work. So, we have done it. How much work done in first 3 days? In this way. Okay. Please go through the problem and try to understand how did it take place. Very interesting problem. I will be back soon. Okay, please see this particular problem. This one is very interesting as well as important. First, try to understand what is given. Time taken by A to do a work is twice the time taken by B and thrice the time taken by C. Okay. If all of them together can do the work in 2 days, then how much work done by B alone? So there is a comparison. Time taken by A is twice the time taken by B and thrice the time taken by C, right? So I am considering the time taken by A as X. Okay. Let time taken by A is X days. Therefore, time taken by B is X by 2 days. Okay. Therefore, time taken by C is X by 3 days. Okay. Since it is given the time taken by A is double the time taken by B and triple the time taken by C, right? So if A takes X days to do the work, B will take X by 2 days and C will take X by 3 days. Okay, and all of you know that while doing time and distance related problems, our ultimate target will be converting or doing in respect to 1 days or in respect to 1 hour like this. So we have to find in 1 day how much work done by A, in 1 day how much work done by B, and in 1 day how much work done by C. Therefore, in 1 day A, B, C can do 1 by X plus 2 by X plus 3 by X part of work. Okay. All of you know that say since A can do the work in X days, in 1 day A can do 1 by X work. Since B can do the work in X by 2 days, in 1 day B can do 2 by X work, and in 1 day C can do 3 by X work. Now what is given? Given all of them can do the work in 2 days. So by the problem 1 by X plus 2 by X plus 3 by X is equal to 1 by 2, or we can say 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6 by X is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, X is equal to 12. So we got the value of X as 12. The question is how much work done by B? All of you know that B in 1 day can do 2 by X work, isn't it? Therefore, B in 1 day can do 2 by 12, that is 1 by 6 work. Therefore, time taken by B is 6 days. Okay. So time taken by B is 6 days. Okay. Here is another very interesting problem. Just see what is given. Dev can do a work in 20 days. How many days will Arun take to do the same work if he is 25% more efficient than Dev? What does it mean? It means in same time whatever work will be done by Deb, Arun will do 25% more work. Okay? Because Arun here is 25% more efficient. So he is able to do more work, 25% more work at the same time than Deb, right? So now we are writing let Arun can do the work in X days. Now, in one day, Dev can do 1/20 work. Therefore, in one day, Arun can do 1/x work. So, by the problem, Arun's work is 25% more than Dev's work, isn't it? We can use rule of 3 here. Dev's work, Arun's work. If Dev's work is 100, Arun's work will be 125, isn't it? If Dev's work is 120, Arun's work here is 1/x. So, using rule of 3, we can write 100 and by 120 here it is x, or after cross multiplication we can write 125 into 1/20 is equal to 1/x into 100. Therefore, x is equal to 100 into 20 by 125. 525, 54, 16. Therefore, Arun can do that problem, can do that work in 16 days. Okay, very, very interesting, very, very interesting, right? Not hard at all, but interesting. So, my dear students, you must go through all the problems very carefully and do it by your own, right? So, till then, goodbye.